Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Starline i96 on this really lovely Audi A7 2017. How the system works: if the customer was to jump in, start the vehicle and select a gear without putting the push sequence in, the vehicle will shut off. So let's just do that now. Let's just start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle started. Let's just select a gear. There you go, vehicle's cut out. Okay. Really clever, really straightforward. Let's just do that again so you can see what's happening on the screen. Let's start the vehicle. Select a gear. There you go, vehicle's cut out. Okay, so now every time the customer jumps into the vehicle, he just basically turns on the ignition, starts the vehicle in the normal way. Go through his push sequence disarm procedure. So on here we've done something very basic. So 1, 2, 3, receive his melody, and there you go, we can select a gear. There you go, it's gone into reverse. Okay. Select a gear. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wanted to change the code, this is also very straightforward, and the way he would do that is turn the ignition on. Sorry, we just got a disarm melody, which means we left it less than 10 seconds and it disarms. So if we leave it about 10 seconds now, then we'll go through a pin learn procedure. But what I'm going to do first of all is I'm actually going to go into learn mode, and then I'm going to hit all the buttons and see which buttons work on this particular Audi. The way I'm going to know that is when I'm testing, I'll get a bleep. Obviously, when it's programmed and you'll disarm, you get no bleep. So let's just turn the ignition on. Ignition on. Disarm the system. 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody. Then go through the learn procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off. Key back on. There you go. Let's just, so now every button that I touch, if it gives me a bleep, I can use it. Yes, yes, no, yes, 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 yes. Wouldn't use that. Makes too much noise. And window buttons. Okay. So just for video purposes, I'm just going to do something very simple. So give it another 10 seconds. Oh, apologise. I've activated voice. So let's just turn off the ignition. So go through a learn process now. So ignition on. Initially disarm the system. 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start button off. And then back on. We get a 5 bleep. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3. I could change it a little bit, but I'm just going to keep it basic so I don't forget. Receive our melody and repeat it again. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for the confirmation melody. There you go. So now if I turn it off, leave it about 10 seconds, and then try the new code. Also, finally, when you want to put it into valet mode, this is straightforward. And the way you do that is ignition on, disarm, melody, hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times, key off, key on, 2 bleeps. And then when you get it back, just code with the ignition on and 2 bleeps. So let's just try the new code. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. There you go. I could have started it and tested it that way, but I just thought I'd do it this way. Okay, so finally, as I said, if you want to put it in valet mode, this is also straightforward. So let's just disarm the system, melody, 11 presses, and again, so 1, 2, 3. Confirmation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, key back on. There you go, 2 bleeps. That's in valet mode. And when you get it back, just to take it out of valet mode, ignition on and just your code. So ignition on, disarm code, 1, 2, 3. That's it, out of valet mode. So I'll give it about 10 seconds. And then I'll show you that it's protected once again. Once we start the vehicle and select a gear, you'll see it'll stall. I think that should be about 10 seconds now. So let's just start the vehicle. There you go, no melody, select a gear. Vehicle stalls. Okay. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478. 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.